Hello, friends. Today, we will have an interesting journey to sweet potato farms in North Carolina, USA. Did you know this is the place that produces the most sweet potatoes in the U.S. and even exports them around the world? So what makes the sweet potatoes here so special? Come join us on a journey of discovery. Wow, do you see? We are passing through one of the largest sweet potato growing regions in the United States. North Carolina is not only famous for its beautiful coastlines, but also for being the country's giant sweet potato basket. In 2023 alone, North Carolina will grow more than 108,000 acres of sweet potatoes, surpassing states like California, Louisiana, and Mississippi combined. From April to May every year, all farms in North Carolina are bustling with the start of the new crop. This is the time when sweet potato seedlings, nursed from mother plants, begin to be brought to the field for planting. This step is very important because it determines the future harvest season. Look at how they work very skillfully, right? The process sounds simple but requires great ingenuity and care. After being planted, sweet potato plants will take about 120 days to grow and mature. During this time, farmers must take very careful care to ensure each potato grows healthily and produces high yields. Young sweet potato plants are watered regularly and checked regularly to avoid pests. And finally, after 120 days of meticulous cultivation, the moment we have been waiting for has arrived. Harvest season. This is the part I'm most excited about. You can see giant machines carefully digging up each sweet potato, not only quickly, but also very accurately. These machines will gently dig up the soil, letting the large round sweet potatoes rise out of the ground and gently pour them into the container without damaging the potatoes. The harvest season usually takes place from mid-August to October. According to 2023 U.S. Department of Agriculture statistics, sweet potato production is 1.8 million tons and brings a value of about $710 million. With these impressive numbers, you can see that machines play an important role in increasing productivity and efficiency of the harvesting process. This is the silent companion of the farmer, never tired, never faltering. An interesting thing is that every year, up to 4,300 immigrant workers flock to North Carolina to work on sweet potato farms. This is not a small number, proving how large the production scale is here. Can you imagine the busyness and bustle of sweet potato fields during the harvest season? Harvesting sweet potatoes is labor-intensive work. Harvest workers will be paid about $17 an hour, a pretty good wage for agricultural work. After being harvested, sweet potatoes will go to processing plants for cleaning and grading. Automated machines select the best sweet potatoes based on size, color, and freshness, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach consumers. A large portion of sweet potatoes from North Carolina are exported to international markets such as Europe and Asia. With high nutritional value and unique flavor, sweet potatoes have become a popular dish globally. After being packaged, sweet potatoes will be stored in cold storage to maintain freshness before being shipped to supermarkets and restaurants around the world. And so our journey today comes to an end. From the vast fields to the modern factories, I really admire the patience, effort, and creativity of farmers in North Carolina. If you have the chance, try this sweet potato dish from North Carolina. You will definitely love it. Thank you for following. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. See you again on other exciting journeys. Bye.